Guys, Dylan here with Off Leash Canine Training. I've got my new friend Thor here with me. He's a 4-year-old German Shepherd, and he's just enrolled into our 2-week board and train program. So Thor's been through a training program before with another company. His owners were getting concerned when he was young about reactivity to strangers, reactivity to other dogs. He's incredibly prey-driven. He gets easily distracted while outdoors or indoors if there are loud noises, strange objects, so on and so forth. So they signed him up for another training program where he picked up some basic obedience, but it seemed like his behavioral issues, the reactivity, the fear, the apprehensiveness around people and in public, seemed like all of those issues were just steadily getting worse while he was just picking up basic obedience skills with limited distractions. So there was a point where his owner normally would take him out to this park off leash and play ball with him all on their own, but another dog showed up on the horizon, maybe even like 100 yards away, and as the dog drew closer, Thor got more and more distracted and eventually ignored the ball and just took off. He took off for this dog. Him and the dog ended up getting into a fight. Some bites were landed and not a good situation. So his owner felt completely helpless off leash to recall Thor out of that mindset and had more or less zero recourse to stop the problem. So the reactivity around strangers and around people is similar to the dog situation, but it's more of a fear-based thing than a prey drive thing. So someone comes over to his house, he may initially charge the door. He has bitten people in intense situations before, but for the most part, if he sees someone he doesn't know, he's going to be cowering, backing away, and trying to find a corner to duck and hide in. When they're outdoors, when they're out in public, it's the same thing, except he knows where the car's parked and he's trying to drag his owners back there. So any semblance of leash manners go completely out the window whenever he has a bad idea in his head. So this is all stuff we're going to work on. Right now we'll do a quick demonstration, see where we're starting with his basic obedience. He should know a couple commands, but I'm not really sure if any of it's stuck, so we'll see. Thor. Sit. Down. 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 Okay. Thor. Place. 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 Looks like we got some stuff to work on. We're gonna get after it and have some fun. Stay tuned to see his progress.